Hi everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to leave a team on Toon Blast. So let's dive in straight into the video without wasting much of our time. Launch open your Toon Blast application from your app drawer. Make sure that you're inside the main homepage of Toon Blast. Now, to leave a team, go and tap on the friends icon at the bottom right hand corner and tap on My Team at the top. Now, tap the info button right next to your team, and in the pop-up, if you want to leave a team, then you'll need to tap the leave option. Click yes in the pop-up in order to leave a team on Toon Blast. So that is how you can easily do it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.